Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I'm looking a little bit raggedy, a little bit smaggedy, a little bit nappy because the 24-hour glow up challenge. I literally kind of just woke up, so if I sound a little bit snuffy and wuffy, that's because of that. I'm gonna be going from this to this real quick, honey. Okay, so yeah, first you can see, girl, you already got your makeup on. Yeah, I do got my makeup on. I got my foundation, concealer, setting powder, eyebrows, highlighter, contour on because, you know, I didn't know I was gonna make this video, but now I want to make it, so here we go. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video for more, and click that bell right next to that subscribe button so you can get all the notifications when I post. Show you guys, you know, the before, so let's just get to it. So I have on this DIY shirt. As you can see, she is very custom made, uneven, and I got on these shorts right here. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm gonna go exotic. I'm gonna go different. I wanna go, you know, just all in. Just go all in. So I'm gonna be wearing a color wig today. I haven't wore like a full color wig outside ever, so this is gonna be something new for me. But yeah, I'm trying to see what can I start with. God dang. Let me put my wig cap on. Whew. Now I officially look like an egg. So yeah, I got my wig cap on. My hair's not braided under here because I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I want to be natural, then I want to wear wigs. So girl, don't judge me. But yeah, wig cap is on now. I know y'all gotta. I know everybody be doing the wig cap method where they put this wig cap all the way down past their eyebrows. You know, spray the hairline. I've been doing that for so long. It literally does not work for me. So we not finna do that, okay? I think I'm gonna do my hair first, and then I'm gonna do lashes, because girl, lashes are last, you feel me? And when I put the lashes on, I can barely see it. So this is the wig I'm gonna be wearing today. She is like a lavender grayish color, and she is from my wig line, Annaluxuriouswigs. Go get you one, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna just put her on first to measure where I want it at. I'm gonna put the comb. Comes with one comb in the nape area, and then I'm gonna just bring this down. Ooh, hopefully I don't look like a grandma. Okay, so bring this down, and I'm gonna just see where to cut the lace at. Ooh, I like this. I look like sexy grandma. Okay, so yeah, cut there. Let me get my clip, matter of fact. So let's pin this hair back, see exactly where to cut. Alright, so boom, boom, here we go, I'm gonna cut right there. Boom, here we go, I'm gonna cut right there. So don't cut the lace straight, we just gonna go with some zigzags, some crisscrosses. Now I'm gonna be taking my mousse. This is Motion Mousse, $5. And I'ma just like put some to the hair. I do this because when you putting the lace down on your forehead, you know, wherever you gotta put the when you putting the glue down, those little strands of hair be in the way. Like, child, get out of here. So I just want to like push all the hair back because the hair be sticking to the glue, and it just be a hot mess. And the mousse makes it stay out of the way. So now we have a good placement. So now I have my ghost bonded glue, and I am just gonna push my hairline back and glue this thing down on my forehead. As you guys can see, I have a very big forehead, so I have a lot of space to put the hairline. So I can be like, hey, I want a big forehead today, or I want a little forehead today. You know, it's all up to you. That's the goodness with the frontiers. You can see where you want your forehead to be. You want small forehead, no forehead, big forehead, lot of forehead, little forehead, all of that stuff. So now I'm just gonna glue that down Gluing my forehead down. On my forehead, nothing new. Nothing is new. Okay. Now. Okay. So, take my clip, put it back for the one time. And there we go. So, ooh. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and make this glue disappear. So now that the glue has disappeared a little bit, I'm just gonna, hold on. I'm gonna lay it down. I got your man and he attached. You can't get him back. Your fingerprint don't match, you ain't got the code to crack. Riding on his horse, you can't whip your horse. Guys, now that the lace is all glued down, I had to do some off camera because I gotta make sure my hair looking good because I'm going outside for real, you feel me? So I got this silk scarf from She's Hot Maintenance Clothing. It says hashtag rich brats. So I'm gonna be folding that a little bit and laying this lace down. Woo. Woo. I'm just gonna make sure that it's nice. Take my mousse and lay this hair down. We about to get this hair laid and slayed, hunty, okay? So as you guys can see, this is a lace front wig. Get about a good full 5 inches apart in, and mousse just really helps me lay my hair flat. I ain't gotta go in with a hot comb, none of that. I'm just brush it through, and I'm thinking, should I cut this or leave it this length? I don't think I want to do a bob. I think I actually want to leave it like this. But I'm going to just straighten it, make it look nice and bone straight. I'm going to have my flat iron on 5,000 degrees. As you can see, this is 100% human hair. Yeah, I'm going to just bump her up a little bit. Camera it looks like a purple, but in real life this joint look great. Okay, I'm thinking I'm not gonna do baby hairs I'm not gonna do like crazy baby hairs like how I always do. I don't know, I just don't like baby hairs on like colored wigs. I don't know, I just don't like it. I'm gonna just take like a little strand like this and just swoop it, like really natural baby hairs, because I don't want it to be OD. You feel me? Just swoop it like so. Y'all, I hate when I gotta go in with a makeup wipe and go back in with my makeup wipe and freaking wipe off the makeup. You know how you have makeup on your freaking edges? That's probably why you gotta install this wig with no makeup. Me and my hair, I like it to be really sleek, so I'm gonna just add a whole bunch of mousse. Like, don't judge me, don't try to come up in the comments like, girl, that's too much mousse, you need to do this and you need to do that. How about you shut your butt up? Can you afford mousse? Can you spell mousse? And I like to take some hairspray so my hair won't be flying everywhere. You know how the wind just be blowing your wig past your head and your lip gloss be stuck to your hair. It's like, now, like, to lay my hair down, I'm gonna take a do-rag. Now, This do-rag look a little bit dirty because this is my laying my hair down do-rag, but you can purchase this do-rag from my website. As tight as I can, you know, just stopping all the blood circulation. Now that we're waiting for the hair to lay flat, the lashes I'm gonna be wearing today is from my website. These are the bundle of 25mm lashes, so you get 4 25mm lashes for a great price. It's down, eyelash is on, eyelash is on. So how y'all feeling this hair? I'm loving this hair. It is so pretty. I just feel like a freaking fairy or something. But I put on my lip gloss, and yeah, put my lip gloss. I put like a little bit of orange eyeshadow on my eyes. I don't know, just to bring out my eyes more, and put on my NYX butter lip gloss. And now we're going to be going to the nail salon because my nails need to be done. I'm gonna get some natural nails this time. It really bothered me with this hair just a little bit. I think it's like the length or something. I think I need to do a little trim. Yeah, that's it. That's like, and something a little bit off. Yeah, that's it. Amen. So like with color hair, like there seems to be a lot of flyaways, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna just take some mousse and just doody-da-da. I'm in love with these lashes. Go get you a pair. You get 4 pairs of these lashes, and it will last you a while because these lashes are so reusable. Oh my god, I'm like an Instagram baddie or whatever. I'm gonna get my mom's reaction, see how she liked my hair. How you like my hair?
All right, it's nice.
Okay, so she said my hair is nice. I thought she was gonna say something crazy. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna wear today because honestly, I honestly do not know. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna just wear all black today because my hair is a lot enough. So I'm gonna just wear all black, looking all black. Like, keep it calm. I'm gonna wear this shirt. I literally just made this. I put like the paint splatter on it, biker shorts. So let's get ready to go. Well, wow, my hair looks purple outside, but like when I'm in the store, it literally looks gray. But I got my nails done. I got like these black short coffin nails with some diamonds on it. Trying something different. I'm really in love with it. And no, I'm not turning goth. Like, I know somebody probably gonna say, girl, are you turning goth? You're getting black nails, you're wearing all black. But nah, I'm not doing that, sister. We don't do that over here. But I'm finna go and start my day. Go get something to eat, you know, go chill, go relax, you know, just like a nice off day for me. But thank you guys so much for watching videos like this. Make sure to comment down below. Like this video. Why am I out of breath? I need some McDonald's. It's literally about to die. I love y'all. Y'all heard? I need a Big Mac.